Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today I will bring more consonants to our lessons. Let's start. In our first land, you can see two English letters, M and F. The pronunciation in Pinyin is so similar. Okay, listen carefully and try to read after me. The first one will be M. M. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. The second one, use your top teeth to touch the lip here. So the pronunciation for this will be F. F. Can I hear your voice, please? Very good. Let's put them together. M and F. Get it? In this land, you can see an English letter N and L. The pronunciation in Pinyin will be in this way. The first one, N, N. When you pronounce it, you can use your finger to touch your nose. If you can feel your nose is buzzing, which means you pronounce it correctly. Let's try. N, N. Very good. For the L one, in Pinyin, we say it in this way. L, L. We can still use our fingers to touch our nose, but for the L sound, your nose is not buzzing. L, L. Okay, now let us put them together. N and L. Get it? The last one, in English, you say H. The pronunciation for this pinyin can also be found in a lot of English words. For example, her. So the pronunciation for that will be H. Let me hear your voice, please. Very good. At the end of this lesson, look at them. A M plus A will be M, A, M, A, Ma. Can you repeat it twice? Ma, Ma. Very good. And now I will bring the first tone for the first characters. How do you pronounce it? Can you have a try? Great. Ma, ma. Very good. Ma, ma. One more time. Ma, ma. Okay, so can you guess what's the meaning for mama in Chinese? Brilliant. Mama in Chinese, which means mom or mother. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and I will see you next time. 再见。